AI is the baseline for competitiveness. More and more, our customers are asking us, how do I leverage AI to transform my business and lead in my market and my industry? But here's the reality. AI is only as good as the infrastructure it sits on. You may be managing a legacy of private and public cloud environments, and siloed data can be your biggest hurdle to transformation. At Google Cloud, customer choice comes first. We offer an integrated stack where you choose how and where to deploy. But we do believe that for many customers, the greatest Google advantages come from being on Google Cloud. Migrating to Google Cloud can be the best way to eliminate data silos, minimize latency, strengthen security, and reduce complexity in your environment. We know that large-scale migrations, especially from other hyperscalers or aging data centers, can feel complex and risky. That's why we developed RAMP, Google Cloud's Rapid Migration and Modernization program. RAMP is a bridge between your legacy state and your AI-ready future. RAMP complements the why you should move to Google Cloud with the how. It's a holistic framework that takes the guesswork out of transition. With RAMP, we provide prescriptive frameworks based on our experience migrating thousands of customers, robust governance, guidance, and controls to ensure you're set up for success from day one, funding and incentives to offset the cost of migration and modernization, access to a large and skilled partner ecosystem, best-in-class tooling like Google Migration Center, and last but by no means least, Google Skills, access to thousands of courses from Google Cloud and DeepMind at no cost to help you build the skills and your team build the skills to manage your future Google Cloud estate. At Google, we address the cost and risk hurdle by investing directly in your success. We invest when you sign your enterprise agreement, whether it's your first commitment or a renewal and growth commitment on Google Cloud. We invest in assessing your estate, and we invest in the migration with partners and with professional services. This creates a flywheel of momentum where the savings and impact from one migration lead to the next. The RAMP program structures and makes these incentives transparent, predictable, and available when you need them. My call to action is simple. Go to the Google Cloud website to learn more about RAMP. Thank you.